Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed, please do so. And if you have subscribed, hit the bell down below. You'll be notified each time I load a video. Here we just don't only do hot and spicy foods. We do a little bit of everything. This is going to be a Halloween decoration. A skull that you can take and get from Dollar Tree. And yes, we're going to be using some of these succulents that we got in those Micheals grab bags. This is just a kind of way for me to kind of use these succulents and cactus in a way to where I'm still having like my fall decor and also Halloween decor. What you need is, I'm using a hot soldering iron. I don't want to use a knife. We're gonna put a circle in top of our head. You need some floral foam. And you need some succulents and cactus or whatever you want to use of your choice. Alright, here we go. Let me turn you guys down so you can see what I'm doing. Alright, you guys see, here's my skull. And I'm just going to kind of figure out kind of where I want to kind of put my decor. Alright, I made a hole, and I'm just going to kind of pull it along. Pull, pull. Be careful. Don't want you getting burned. I know, you're probably saying, oh, you probably do better using scissors. This is a very hard plastic, okay? And for me, it's a little hard. And I made another hole here at the bottom. I know it's hard for you guys to kind of see what I'm doing, but you can see where I kind of got it up here going. Now I'm just going to circle around. And if you want to, you can make punch holes. However, it'd be a little easier for you. And we're doing this so that we can put our foam, floral foam, on the inside. Don't worry, I will show you guys. If it gets hot, just blow it. It'll cool off. You just don't want it to catch on fire. Or if you feel comfortable, go outside. You kind of get out I want. My allergies have been a little bit crazy today. And I'm kind of thinking about not doing a fall garden because I got a lot going on. Make sure you go all the way through. Yikes, be careful because it's hot. Alright, let me unplug this. Because I don't want to get burned. Let that cool off. And it'll look like this on the inside. Don't worry. You can take and go and come back and clip off or pull off any extra. Put this in trash. Alright, now here is where you kind of figure out how big you need this on. Sorry. I got 2 pieces inside. Now, let's see what we're going to use. These are the succulents from the Micheals grab boxes. Yes, I'm still using the succulents. And if you don't like the color of them, guys, paint them. Paint them, paint them. It's your choice. Let's see. Don't worry, once you get through putting all of your succulents in here, it will stand up. I'll show you. Because I'm going to try and use most of these in there. And guys, if you want to, you can take and add some rocks down in the bottom. You guys know we got a lot of them rocks in Micheals grab boxes. One way to use them. Alright, this one I'm just going to clip all these here off. You guys kind of know I'm not into the orange, but my outside it's going to end up being orange for Halloween because of my scarecrow and everything else I got going. Don't worry guys, I'll show you guys what I do outside. Alright, I'm going to come in. And I'm probably going to have to get my glue gun. And if it don't stand up like you want, you can glue it to a board. You have choices. But the way mine's gonna be up against a mirror. So and you can kind of put these things around some how you like them. Alright. Put another one over here on this side. See where I'm going? I guess it would help if I put it in the phone, wouldn't it? Now, I want something else. And if you don't want to use these cactus and the succulents, you can take and add flowers, guys, but you got to make sure, you know, if you're doing like the black roses or something like that, just make sure you kind of keep it the same colors that you got going on. Alright, we got some little small ones. I'm kind of just poke them around in here. I have a trash can here and I'm trying to keep it clean as I go. Dun, dun, dun. Let me put this one in here. There you go. Don't like that stuck out. There you go. And you can stick it on a bathroom counter, guys. And just kind of, you know, let it sit there. But you can, you know, if you don't like that one, you can use one like this. I mean, you can still kind of keep adding more onto it if you want to. But I think that's enough. There you go. Alright, guys. Love you. God bless. That is the end of this one. That's all my DIYs for today. Hope you guys have a blessed night. Talk to you guys later.